In this video, I'm going to show you how to put a link in your Facebook story. But first, please hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated. So let's get right into this video. So basically, there's no way to put a link on your Facebook story. You have to do it through sharing your story from Instagram. So let's try to do it right now. First though, we have to connect our Facebook accounts and Instagram accounts. So let's go to Instagram here, go to our account, click on the three menu bars up top, go to Settings and Privacy, then click on Account Center. Next, click on Connected Experiences, click on Sharing Across Profiles, and there we have it. You can see here my account is already connected, but if you want to connect your account, just click Add Accounts here and then log in. So now next, you have to go back to the settings here, click on the three menu bars again, click on Settings and Privacy, and scroll down over here to Guides and Sharing. Then scroll down here and then click on the button Share Story to Facebook. Make sure that it's blue. So now let's try to share a story. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Add Story here, click on the picture that you want, and then on the stickers button on top, click it, and then there should be a links sticker here. Just click on it and enter the website that you want to share. From there, just share your story, and it'll automatically share your story to the Facebook story. So let's check it now. If it still isn't shared to your Facebook account, there should be a button that shows up here when it's posted. There. Just click on that Facebook share, and then that's it. So let's go check on the Facebook account here to see if it's posted. And there you have it. That's how you share a link on your Facebook story. That's basically all there is to this video, and thanks for watching.